welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Exam delays debated in Meghalaya Assembly. BIS educates Ribhoi public to combat scams. Concerns raised over Meghalaya Games food distribution. And Ayush doctors in Meghalaya push for government hospital recruitment. And now the news in detail. In a heated session on February 19th, MLAs from both the opposition and governing parties in Meghalaya engaged in a debate initiated by Maukarwat MLA Renikton El Tongkhar regarding the delay in conducting examinations of the District Selection Committee and announcing results. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma refuted claims of any delay or cessation in the examination process, asserting that the exams for vacant posts are actively ongoing.
Applying for a particular post in a particular district, that local language of the district, a qualifying paper will have to be cleared, and this will ensure that more and more focus is given on to the local community and the local people who reside in that particular district. So like that, sir, we are working on ways which will allow us to meet our objectives, keep the legal framework in mind and overall constitutional aspects in mind, while trying to move forward with achieving the most efficient process in which we can achieve the different recruitment aspects. So therefore, sir, these are the things that are being done, and as I said, sir, I have clarified regarding that particular issue that was being mentioned by the Honourable Member regarding the OM. The Honourable Member from Nongkrem had mentioned about political appointments. Sir, this is not that we look at political people only. These are individuals who are there, who are from different walks of life, who happen to be in different positions earlier. And therefore, it's a normal process that is followed. Whatever guidelines are there that are mentioned in the selection process that are there, we follow those guidelines. And people who have certain background are given preference. And that's how the process has been, sir, throughout. But yes, if the Honourable Member, as I said, has suggested that we look into the reviewing of the different procedures, processes, so we can examine the matter and see how we can improve the overall functioning of the district committees. Sir, the Honourable MLA from Amlarem had mentioned about a one-time payment, and so we can examine this suggestion also. I don't know the exact ramifications of this and how it would come out to be, but since it has been mentioned by a very senior Honourable Member, we will definitely examine this particular aspect also. Honourable Member from Nongpo had mentioned about the exams. I just had replied, sir, that we have already started that process, and we have asked all recruitment agencies to screen the documents after the examinations are cleared. And for the larger exams, like for example the police and others, where there are lakhs of people who apply, this will be implemented, and slowly, and as we move forward, all departments have been, all the recruitment agencies have been asked to do the same, sir. So that's all the points that I could remember. And so once again, I would thank the Honourable Member and the mover of the motion. And I just want to also clarify to Honourable Member so that recruitments are going on, sir, as we speak. So there was a concern and issue that recruitments are not happening and the recruitment process has stopped, so which is not actually correct. Even as we speak, sir, even in Maukarwat, in fact, on very recently, I don't have the date with me, on 2022, in Maukarwat also, 10 Gram Sevaks, 3 Gram Sevikas, Mali process servers, the recruitment process has happened. Even in Nongstoin, the recruitment process happened as recently as September to 2023, and in Mairang also it happened, sir, and so on and so forth. In many districts it's happening, but yes, the point is taken that the process is not going as smoothly as it could have, and there are certain hiccups and bottlenecks. And obviously, sir, as a government, it will be our duty to streamline the process and make things easier so that process moves faster. And as I said, I'm happy to inform that we have already decided and already communication and OM has come out and direction has been given to the deputy commissioners that they can go ahead with the recruitments after the approval by the deputy commissioner at the district level. And I'm sure that this decision will allow us to recruit much faster compared to the process of sending it all the way to the government. And second, as I said, the OM, which was sounding confusing, sir, is the same OM from 1972. We have not changed a single word. And if there was no confusion before this roster came out, then I don't see any reason why there should be any confusion now, because it's the same OM, no language has been changed. So, sir, with these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The District Rural Development Agency in Ribhoi District, in collaboration with the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, organized a sensitization program on promoting Indian standards in government programs on February 19th. Leaders from various villages under Umling and Umsning CNRD block gathered at the DRDA hall in Guwahati for the event. The initiative aimed to combat scams prevalent in the buying and selling of goods nationwide. During the program, BIS officials emphasized the significance of the standard mark or ISI mark on products, indicating their quality and safety. Barasha Jyoti, Baishya and Subham Sanu, serving as standard promotion consultants alongside Priyanghun Marbanyang and S. Marbanyang, district program managers of DRDA Nongpo, were present to educate the attendees. Moreover, the BIS introduced the BIS Care app, allowing users to verify the authenticity of products by scanning their license numbers. If a product is deemed fraudulent, consumers can file complaints through the app or contact relevant authorities. These initiatives aim to safeguard consumers and ensure they receive refunds for any purchases of counterfeit goods.
Good morning, everyone. Basically, today in this sensitization program, we are giving them a demonstration about BIS Care app. In this application, they are getting checked about the water bottles, about the mandatory products which is under ISI mark or hallmark, or under CRS, which is electronics mark. Basically, they are basically the Gram Panchayat sensitization program aims to check whether the product is verified by our department or not. If it is verified, you can check through BIS Care app. In this BIS Care app, you can check ISI mark product is a fake or is real. This is the basically this is the application BIS Care app, in which you can check, verify license details and verify HUID. Apart from this, you can also check verify R number through through CRS number, in which in under CRS there are several items of like electronics items like smartphones, laptop, projectors and mics. You can check it through BIS Care app. When you are going to verify license details, these application wants license number. If your product is real, then you can check through license number, which is written under the ISI mark, where CML, which is central mark license number, and when you enter the license number, it's just like 54000 71903. When you enter the details of the water bottle, they provide everything, like where it is manufactured, from where it is purified or not, it is it is very valid or not, its product are All the details are come under BIS Care app. That's all. Thank you. Actually,
In the Assembly session on February 19th, Adan Miller Basayamot, representing VPP from Nongkrem, voiced apprehensions regarding the food provision for participants in the Meghalaya Games held in Tura. Minister of Sports Shakliar Warjri responded stating that due to the impending visit of the President of India to inaugurate the event, specific regulations were enforced, including instructions for participants to consume substantial meals in the morning. On the evening of February 19th, doctors affiliated with the Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya convened with Health Minister Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh to address their demand for recruitment in government hospitals. President Alistar Lyngdoh emphasized the necessity, highlighting the current contractual status of Ayush doctors. The Health Department acknowledged the absence of service rules pertaining to their request. Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh has scheduled a meeting on February 29th to discuss the matter further between government officials and representatives of the Ayush workers. The push underscores the importance of integrating Ayush practices into mainstream healthcare.
Dr. Alistar Lyngdoh, Bapak Presiden, bagi Dr. Beit Pangstang, Bapak Yaka General Secretary, Iwan Kendu mentasni Madam Ampreen, Mankili Sepang ka kam kejam bantung yaki Ayush Doctor hak government balik kalong delay. Kajing delay katkum kajing tip bayo lembaga department ki amba kamdan ka service rule. Kajing kili jong association menta kalong boleh hadu karni kisnam kiladon ki service hak government yaki Ayush kamdan ka service rule. He don't come bakandon ka service rule so that ka implementation jong ki post kandan but ka Directorate kalaban bu hakmat mau kajing don kam menta ka central kala push ya ka state government bahkan kan set up ya ka directorate tambah nak kadau bamdan ka service rule but ka defect ka service rule ka khtano ya ka formation jong ka directorate but ka observation jong pun ki doctors ki blatre lupa taki khatsan snem tam haka contractual tidak bon ki Ayush doctors ki batre contractual hadu mentakim pada okam kadi nak kena kadau mengikundui Madam Ampreen mutasni kang bain pensap ya kejing sistem jeni ki Ayush doctors
Mbak nungut ki doktor idan apa ni kan Ayush
Medical Association idan kumbasan spa kita
tapi orang tap kani di kapus ni mana
pardon
kani di kapus ke balat ni mana
kapus balat can have advertisement tikham advertise last time baki omba kamdan ka service rule recently there was an advertisement for MBBS doctors kabadan sopo prapus but ke dentist kabadan nyopo sapos but yaki dentist kabadan prapus kalau nak hataru kam haba yaki kalaban mi kapus balik ke Ayush doctors kami te kajing jubab kawan ba kimdan ka service rule kena kadau ni pan ka service rule kawe but kadon kam ba ka service rule kadon kam ro ban nam taka implementation jongka directorate ke
kan kali Ampreen yang kuno pad
Madam Ampreen ila kli bnia yakini ke ayu ya ka association wa balik ka kajia komni ti ong ni batai sapang service rule ti ong in Peit ya kani ka benta in keren bad director jungi i sejoram beda in keren bad ban ya penbet kumno ban ayu ini penbet lang maki bakini syang ka meeting but NEHU kendai dan saya syang lang baru Dr. Jaram beda mengi Dr. Ampreen mengi penbet ya ka service rule jongka Ayush doctors
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong revealed during the Assembly session on February 19th that the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has earmarked 681 crore rupees for constructing the Western Bypass. Stretching from Lat Maureng to Lat Umsau, this initiative aims to address transportation challenges and bolster connectivity in the region. Tensong's announcement, made in response to a query from opposition leader Ronnie V. Lyngdoh, underscores the government's commitment to infrastructure development. The substantial investment signifies a crucial step towards alleviating traffic congestion and facilitating smoother travel experiences for residents and commuters alike. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma confirmed on Monday that the state government has officially submitted proposals to include both Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Responding to inquiries from VPP MLAs H. Kharpran, Aden Basayomot, Adelbert Nongrum, along with MLA Charles Marngar from the Congress Party and opposition leader Ronnie V. Lingdo, Sangma affirmed the government's commitment to preserving and promoting the linguistic diversity of the region. In a harrowing accident on February 19th at 4:30, chaos ensued on National Highway 6 near Khongdong Shang Bangla village. A clinker-laden truck en route from Shillong to Guwahati veered off course, crashing head-on into two LPG tankers bearing registration numbers AS01DD 7762 and AS01DD 7763 bound for Shillong. The clinker truck's driver sustained injuries and was swiftly transported to Civil Hospital Nongpo for treatment, while the LPG drivers miraculously emerged uninjured. Prompt response from Nongpo Police and National Highway Authority of India helped contain the aftermath of the collision. Leaders of the Khasi Students' Union from Ramrai Circle and West Khasi Hills recently convened with the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, advocating for the submission of 9 crucial roads: Maudet, Maushat, Maukhiat, Shem, Renyao, Mauyong, Domkerko and Mainop to the PWD department. These roads, currently under the MGNREGA scheme, suffer from severe deterioration, making commuting arduous for locals. The plea emphasizes the inadequacy of the current scheme in addressing road repair needs promptly. The DC office is poised to forward this urgent request to the PWD department for swift action.
Agak sengingi naka WKSU orang perasa ke dekat pakai senran langjong WKSU apa central body mila ada wan hari kendu yo DC kan sengi banginnya keren bangiwan summit ya kan merendam ke baik gede kualiti ke bangiwan mi ya kini sengi belalek tak kalau Shillong mau dat mau kini tertering ke baik mengenai keren DC rulah larengi baun simkiai kini kam Orang rubah ini saya keren bagi official bagi Peit bagi kami gini di mah IT di keren PWD dan nambah ni hab meja bagi proses kita deh banyak ni gue ni sungguh bau di siulah keluar ban sekat begini konten di jingdat kam kita Shillong kita jingdat kam surat di sini kalau ngecek ini baik sunang thag bahkan pendang bakin de sunu bukan wan yo wan hat kin de sunu wai sing bikin log jejar ki bikinyan mak surok kalau ko sniu ko ta bat kini kilong e ba mintai ko ampetem sipi pai ba disiu lo kulare ngi ba isi kai ni kam te wala hoi ten simpor dai suki di kermen ba kini ki surok borogen sawan orang kan bernginang ya budin ru sih sikmat de kini ki kam bangi semet tasni kita kam kini surok ki kini senang ke dalam rumah modat mosyat mokyat umsyam miau moyong dam kerkok bat mainok ini senang ba ngajar teng kita senang ki ba kami dah udang sini surat bat kam kerki ya surat ba kasokar dan community kambria ban pen bahama.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.